Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products available to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're shining the spotlight on the Amlactin Foot Repair Cream, which many users regard as the best Amlactin lotion for foot repair. If you're struggling with dry, cracked heels, then stick around because we're about to uncover why this cream might just be your new best friend. The Amlactin Foot Repair Cream is a powerhouse formulation designed specifically for those persistent foot problems. Packaged in a convenient 3-ounce tube, it features a clinically proven 15% lactic acid concentration, which works wonders by gently exfoliating and deeply hydrating the skin. This cream is not just about moisturizing, it actively promotes skin cell turnover, helping to eliminate dead skin cells that can make your feet feel rough and uncomfortable. Now, let's talk about texture. The Amlactin cream is rich and non-greasy, which means it absorbs quickly into your skin without leaving that sticky residue that some creams do. This is a major plus for anyone who wants to apply it during the day without worrying about their feet feeling slippery or oily. The cream is also fragrance-free, which is great news for those sensitive to strong scents. Why is exfoliation so important for foot care? Well, our feet endure a lot. From long hours in shoes to the impact of daily activities, it's no wonder they can end up rough and cracked. The exfoliating properties of lactic acid in this cream help to soften tough skin and calluses, revealing smoother skin underneath. It's particularly effective for those who suffer from fissures or splits in the skin, making it a fantastic option for anyone dealing with dry feet. So, what can you expect from regular use of the Amlactin Foot Repair Cream? Users often report that their feet feel significantly softer and smoother after just a few applications. It's recommended to use it twice daily for the best results. You'll notice that those stubborn dry patches begin to diminish, leaving you with healthier-looking feet. Another fantastic aspect of this foot cream is its dermatologist-recommended status. Amlactin has built a reputation for being a trusted name in skincare, especially for those with dry skin conditions. Their focus on lactic acid, a gentle yet effective alpha-hydroxy acid, aligns with modern skincare trends, emphasizing both hydration and exfoliation. Applying the cream is easy, making it a seamless addition to your daily routine. Just apply a small amount to your feet, focusing on the dry areas, and let it work its magic. Many find it beneficial to apply it before bedtime, allowing for maximum absorption overnight. In conclusion, if you're searching for an effective solution for dry, cracked heels, the Amlactin Foot Repair Cream is definitely worth considering. With its powerful formula, ease of use, and dermatologist-backed efficacy, it's no wonder it's earning accolades as the best Amlactin lotion for foot repair. Don't let dry feet hold you back any longer. Give this cream a try, and experience the difference for yourself. Thank you for joining me today on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a review. Until next time, take care of your feet and keep exploring the best products out there.